We got turbo. Hey, Bob. What are we gonna do today? Let's roll. Let's go. Let's take it home. There's the MR2. Welcome to my channel. This is Toyotero at OldSchoolYotas. I'm thinking with this wheel right here, put that color from this line inside and leave everything else here chrome, and then just paint this area here that color right there to match the engine bay. I got two of them and put them in the front. Also, I got to work on that cross member or engine cradle, whatever you want to call it. There's the 2TC cradle, but I got to cut this mounts off and see if I can weld them on this one. Cut them off too, and then just weld them on there, and so I can put the Toyota engine in it. I try to put the cradle in there, but it's not gonna fit the way I thought. Oh, we're gonna have to drill holes through here. I'm not doing none of that. I might keep that Nissan piece original. All right, guys. Well, small video, and I'll keep you guys in touch and see when we can el cazzo. Goodbye.